it's Shen here from Mama Banana. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun video for you. I will be reviewing the brand new crossbody handbag from Miss Fong. It is gorgeous. I will be sharing some hacks and tips with you on how you can wear this a different way to really free up your hands and arms, okay, when out and about. And as well as that, okay, this video is in collaboration with my friend Nadia over in Love Fluffy Bums. So make sure to check out her channel after you watch this video. She'll be sharing a video with you on how to pack this bag up, okay? So let's get straight into today's video. So here is the brand new Miss Fong crossbody bag. It is absolutely gorgeous. The vegan leather is just so soft and squishy, and it's nice and thick, so it feels really luxurious. I actually can't believe it's not leather. It just feels so real. It even has the fine brain on it. Let's see if I can show you there. At the bottom of the screen here, I just have a standard 12-inch ruler. That's just so you can see the size of everything. But the bag is 24 centimeters wide and it is about 14 centimeters deep, 18 centimeters high. Okay, but let's go through all the features, pockets, etc. within this bag. Okay, so the bag comes with a double strap. Okay, so there are 2D rings in the front, 2D rings in the back, and there are 2 long straps. I have to say, initially I thought that this would be too much, that I'll end up, I'll just use the one strap, so I'll cross one strap here to the front and one to the back of these rings. But actually, I love the funky look of it. So if you have a young baby and your hands are full, you might want to just use the one strap, try it out. But I'm using it with the 2 straps because it just looks so funky. It's so different. I haven't seen another bag like it. So obviously these are removable. It has an O lobster clasp, which is really cool. So it's all gold hardware throughout the bag. I'm just going to take these straps off, okay? The straps are a really good length. I'm going to measure these straps after the recording and put the length down here so you can see how long the straps are. But they are adjustable. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 little adjustable holes in it. There are 2 of these little nodes, and there's 2 little loops to keep your straps in. Okay, and same on the other side and for both of these straps. And then it does not come with a little bag charm. I attached this, but this is a Miss Fong charm, and oh my god, it is so soft, so dense, and like no fur comes out of this at all. I highly recommend it. Okay, so I'm just going to take that off the front loop. And there are 2 little funky side pockets. These are absolutely perfect for keeping tissue, lip balm, anything that you would grab quite frequently. They go in, they almost meet in the center here, and they go all the way from the top to the bottom. Okay, and I have the signature Miss Fong Love and Peace collection long straps. Okay, these are actually, they just make it look so funky. I think it looks so cool. And then in the front there is a slip pocket, and there is a magnetic closure. I will zoom in on that. How satisfying is that? That pocket goes all the way to the bottom, and it is about this wide. Okay, so almost the full width of the bag here. And then on the front, I forgot to say, it has the Miss Fong logo, Autumn Winter 2011 Love and Peace. It's so detailed, so pretty. I love it. It looks absolutely gorgeous. And then it has these D-rings here. If you were to wear just a one strap crossover from front to back, so whichever D-ring you're not using, you can just tuck that in, which is handy. But I think even if I wasn't using one, I would hang the bag charm off it. Okay, and then at the back there is a zip pocket. This is perfect for the likes of your phone or anything else important. And there is another open pocket that closes with magnetic closure, handy for wallets, coin purses. And then just turn it around again. Okay, and then there is a zip opening, which is great to keep everything secure. And okay, if you needed full access to open this all the way, you can pull the zip out and then open it all the way. And you can see inside here, and you have full access to everything. Now, just a quick tip, okay? If you don't want to open the bag the whole way, or you don't like the zip tab sticking out and you'd prefer it tucked in, I would suggest when you do open it, okay, you just pinch the bag here, and then you just open the bag, close the bag, open, close. Just by pinching it here, you won't get to open it all the way too much, and then you can easily close it single-handed when the bag is sitting there on its own. And that's what it's all about, making lives easier for my moms. So just, because if you pull it up too much like this, then it's a bit more awkward to close. Just have to hold on to the tab here to close it. So I always pinch it to open. Okay, now I'm just gonna pull the zip tab out so you can see everything inside. As always, I actually use the Kipling Creativity pouch. This is in the large size because obviously I have a lot of bags and I need to switch between them all quickly and easily. So this is all my essentials that I bring with me for everything. I'm not going to go through the contents, but it's things like wallets, lip balm, tissues, etc. If you want to see a packing video, I highly recommend checking out my friend Nadia's channel for a packing video. Her channel is Love Fluffy Bums. Okay, it's actually great to kind of see how other moms pack these bags up to give you an idea on everything. So anyway, back to the bag. There are two bottle pockets either side of the inside. Okay, and these are insulated bottle pockets. I'm going to show you what it fits. So here I have a Skip Hop bottle with no handles. That obviously fits fine, but this is a bit tall, so when you do close it up, you can't close the zip all the way. But as you can see here, the zip sits snug up to the bottle, so that's fine. Then I have the ever popular Tommee Tippee cups, sippy cups. It does have two handles normally, but I got my husband saw one off all our Tommee Tippee cups because I just thought they were too wide and awkward. And with just the one handle, okay, that fits into the bottle pocket there, no problem. And then obviously you can zip the bag closed. Okay, and then I have this tall Tommee Tippee bottle, and that's perfect as well to use within. Let's see if it zips closed. Not really. Okay, and then on the front inside there are these two open pockets. Okay, I usually keep snacks, etc. in them. We bring snacks out with us all the time. And then on the inside there is a little zip pocket. Let's see if I can show you. The zip pocket is to the back here, and I will open that. It also has the beautiful gold hardware. I'm gonna show you the zips up close, okay? But these are all hinged, which is so cool, and they make them easier to open as well. But that pocket goes all the way down to the bottom and is pretty much the full width of the bag to the seams as well. So these are all nice big pockets. This is perfect for all the little small bits and bobs that you may have, or even your coin purse or wallet, anything valuable. So the zips here on the front pocket and on the inside zip pocket, they are hinged. So they're hinged here, so you can see it just makes them that bit easier to open when they can bend to different angles. And then the back pocket on the main zip here, it just has a leather tab on the back. There's no hinge here. It is on a D loop, so it's also very, very adjustable and bendable. Very easy to use. And then for size comparisons, I have some other bags here from Jujube just to show you. So this is a quick, but this is actually going to be a large bag. And does it fit? Yeah, it fits, but you have to squish it, and then you can't fit too much else. But if you want to bring like 2 changes of clothes, whatever, with you for the kids, then you can fit that in, and it will zip closed. So obviously if that fit, then the large set piece is gonna fit. Yes, fits very comfortably. And then let's pop in a medium set piece as well from Jujube. Fits on a small set piece as well. And of course, everything fits in comfortably. And yes, will it zip? Boom. Yes. Fits, 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 fits. And then just to show you as well, the small set piece will fit in these zip pockets, so they are perfect for helping to organize anything that you want. And do keep in mind that these bottle pockets, you can put anything you want in them, but for me, I won't be using the bottle pocket on the left. I'll be squishing that closed and then tucking my zipper tab in, so it'll be awkward to access that, and purely because I don't need it. I don't need two bottle pockets. So as promised, here is a really cool hack on how to wear your Miss Fong crossbody bag to be completely hands and arms free without it getting in your way. So here is the biggest plus to having the two straps. It's not just for fashion. So loop an arm through each hole, like as you do with the backpack, like so, and then you have a really cool low rising backpack. So just make sure you have your bag zipped up so nothing will fall out as you're running around with the kids. All right, this is a tried and tested hack. I actually wore my bag like this in town the other day while I was running errands with both of my toddlers, and we were walking around and both of them took on different arms. The only time it came off was when the youngest was very persistent in going in the opposite direction, but any bag would have kind of come off my arm in that way. But let me know if you actually tried this hack, okay? And if you have any photographs, do share them with me on Instagram. Tag me at SoMamaBanana on Instagram. All right, I'd love to see if anyone uses my hacks, because I just come up with them all over the place, and it would be great to see someone trying them out. Here is how the bag looks as a crossbody bag. So much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the Winter Wonderland backdrop of Ireland right now. Next week I will be reviewing the Skip Hop backpack for toddlers and preschoolers. They are so cute. I love them, and the best part is they fit me, not for me to wear, but for me to carry when the kids are sick of carrying their own bags. Okay, so make sure to check out my friend Nadia's channel at Love Fluffy Bones. She will be doing a packing video. And if there are any other videos that you would like to see on my channel, do let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. So until the next video, make sure to stay safe, look after yourself, wash your hands. Thank you and goodbye.